With massive boxways, slant bed design and powerful high-torque gearboxes, Johnford's turning centres have a reputation for getting the job done very well without breaking the bank.
We're like 98% aerospace, very beefy machine. They just run our parts very well, good quality, hold good tolerances. So,
our ST series machines are the standard in the oil field industry for heavy pipe turning and threading, with high power 2 to 4 speed gearboxes and excellent access with the 60-degree design. Whatever the size of your job, Johnford can build the right machine for you. Whether you're turning heavy castings, shafts or feeding large bar stock, Johnford can custom design the machine to perfectly suit your requirements.
Customers in Denmark is choosing Johnford primarily because Johnford is capable of producing special purpose machines, which is very well suited, for instance, for the wind turbine and also for the larger parts making industry.